This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
It's time to create a quiz with the help of Google Forms. Creating a quiz with the help of Google Forms will completely reduce your work if you are an instructor or a teacher. So if you're an instructor or teacher, you just give the questions for your students for a test or an examination, and after submitting the answer sheets, you manually try to inspect all the answers and you manually try to correct the papers. But here, with the help of Google Forms, all this work has been reduced. You have to just add the questions, and after that you have to also add the options or select a different answer type, whether it may be a drop down, a short answer type, or a multiple choice question. Apart from this, the different answer types are not suitable for the quiz form, because you should also be able to provide the right answer to the Google Forms so that it can autocorrect each and every question. And even in this case, there is a chance for you. You can choose the paragraph answer type as an answer for every question, but the work will be the same. You should just correct all the answers manually. However, the data and all the information will be collected by Google Forms and will be maintained in a perfect manner without any efforts from you. So this was the information about the quiz and its advantages. In the next video, we are going to create a basic quiz, and step by step I will just try to explain you the different options available while creating a quiz with the help of Google Forms.